Surprise! Congratulations, madam. I'm looking forward for a good business deal.
It's my pleasure.
Hey, and let you be. Excuse
me, madam. I am a business partner. Mami can be being chill. Tina Tet Venicano. So we use what? A CSC ho, Emma Hoye Kama, Emma Hoye obey moi. Now, try.
Thank you. Tinatet Venicare.
Tinatet Venicare is an oral tonic for maintaining vaginal hygiene. Not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.
Obama Philip Bemze, one mama Philip Bemze, order for Anapabia, Ariani Numre, Emribia, Benisansa, Memeshe, J Ghana TV. We stand for truth. We stand for truth. Or we stand for the truth. God bless you so much. See you there. Love you. Catch you. Bye. Xandy Kamel. Been misa by this time more shame. Na me Monaguchi. I mean Nkansah minchiro. Udin se mhunu Ghana hache. There have been many times I made a job running me take her crowd to me did matem. Ukunukra me who ne da.
Oh no sir.
Ukunu I mean
share ne da. Onu me small tea. Onu me small tea odidi matem.
Na meba. Ukunu I say my sama beto ja ukunu to me be ye video cry didi matem. But me di obuo e ma wo because mo ye awarefo.
Awarefo ma.
Nti me be frɛ wo. E na me ka kyerɛ wo say, ka kyerɛ ukunu say, sebe minim efia ye tete ni papa me efia me firi mu no ya kyerɛ me sɛ oba untimi ndidi be ma atam because be ma anya ketwa ntimi de obuo e ma wo sɛ ka kyerɛ wukunu sɛ me ma ni ndidi ma atam because me nya ni bibia Xandy ase Ghana ha nyina no wo na de bia wo obi ho asɛm wo na waye wo ho te sɛ ebia asɛm bi a ase ye mi muadie bi style bi sa Xandy mama nka bebi nkyerɛ wo nim bibi fa obi ho a obi nso nim wodie bebree ende ekua amoako a ode wo ba Angel Group of Company kra na ende kra we betray no a community Xandy Kamel you can give up your friends easily a yemu come any say my mentally way very stable in life my mentally way is Xandy Kamel who need station me Monaguchi me say who need station oba Angel Group of Company okunu na obetna CDD matem wo social media no wo girl Angel Company ho but who Xandy Kamel who timi ka kire we ka ba ko say omodo ne ye wahin nti wo be je boy no amban so je boy ne ware no who Xandy Kamel enu mpo obi ambetna social media kan ka wasem because obade ne odi be ya wo be didi no emfa obi a ho oman ne yetimu no eye din yie ankasa ejuma kura sometimes so kopa agi manager beka cho say me booki hotel ba me bebe hia me wo ho no mo ansa na wenya ejuma wankasa o will na wo de beko se wo pa se wo mpeu wo de beko Xandy Kamel aye yie nti ende de oba kopi o court me adwa bro ni me ka kire wo say aye yie me na me host show ni nti no me mpese me kasa bebre na nsey mu kura me ko warning Cindy cash about you Cindy the wawari asem beto abonten because fresh Cindy na me ka Cindy menya sa oba bia be ware e bia ne won ware yo china oba ware obi ani wan na so oba bia ani wan na ware sem ye de beto abonten ye ne de enti me sira utwa so e na Cindy cash twa so na wo some of your classmates wo Xandy Kamel na kasa potin ne da me na wo ba ye movie ben na why okuma wo de bia waka pass extra waka pass supporting artists extra waka pass ya bo udi Xandy Kamel se sia company ben ye betimi dia tag o obo Sama din a alio by Sama Sandra nkobia mu nyina hye Sama ntade ye I don't know ko isle go na go Sama restaurant a esi ho ne ka cho sakola keto restaurant na esi ho no mo a ebe ye won penifo bi wo Ghana has already 50 60 years they cannot even brag of a restaurant now it's now so national TV so now go nyonko ba ni ma sesa aden oh me dey ya brɛ o open tokwa fabra so nze mo na guchi den tokwa da no pe wi anwumre nu ana medie enti opa fabra
but you can say me boy onye me boy onye me kuno yeah
Frema ba chomo yi shina bene no right
Ibra me
ni go sia na bu officer mo yi no
Ibra na
do you know say nipa baby want
do you know something
I have been part of Nkansah waste management since 2003 2013
to 2016 there's a 3 years
3 years ni yana Sandra tara ho
better
listen, even the formation at that time na you form boss nation right boss nation me office ni start free here o Kumase amafo ani you know make catch amande ba say because one Lilwin na minti na finish one na
thank you
evidence me ne afia ra dem ma e bi eja obede
e dem was come na bi ani ho
handsome you see truth is truth
no correct
lies are lies
and try
say you can't say
what you are speaking as a man about what you know.
No, listen, say, we try and try, and God strikes you immediately now. I'm sure it would have been good. But because it doesn't work that way, and she knows very well that no one will compare her to say, okay, fine, you would you say, brother. You see, let me be blunt.
But why so be to me compare on only the way?
No, Tio, no. Kojo Nkansah won't that mean I know. Right. Wouldn't be bothered to say, okay, fine. Let me say ABC because in him, time Kojo Nkansah went, the first wife, no, no. The alleged allegation out there was that, say, and I'm Sandra, so
that is what came.
And now our good.
That is what came.
And listen, the truth too in this is that, say, Kojo paid attention more to Sandra than even the wife.
Because no person pushing the buying not
because the Kojo Nkansah wants to push Sandra. And aside that, no, everywhere Kojo goes, you find Sandra there.
Handbag.
But I don't
me say. Everywhere Kojo goes, Sandra is there. Say producers, ne directors say Kumase. The Kumawood industry will tell you how. Better. It would have been easier for all of us. This thing will actually cut that crap off the system right away.
Wow.
Which producer didn't know this?
It's woman no,
because on me fiasema.
Okay.
On famo
okay.
Then. But because I am speaking as a manzaba because I have been part of Nkansah waste management since 2003, 2013
to 2016, there's a 3 years.
3 years in Yana Sandra Taraho.
Better listen, even the formation at that time, now you form boss nation.
Boss nation.
Right. Boss nation, maybe office in start free here, Kumase. Opa Mumisa Kojo Nkansah, Mumisa Razak. The Mumisa Sherry Boss. They will tell you. It started from me, my office in Kumase. What you say? Say me try and try on. Me trust me if I'm also lying, God should strike me.
Hey.
Say Nenya Kojo girlfriend ne Sandra Ababio. Come on. Charlie, you see, let's call it.
At that time, Amanda at that time, you know.
Yeah.
Not Sandra and Lilwin.
Oh, better. They were more than Womugem. They were more than Womugem. But you see, the thing is that say, Kojo, the reason why I own certain and maybe I could be baby say own. The perception was that, and I'm also no Odejai. What I say. So I don't want that tag. So what I agree is that say, oh, don't worry, right? Marry. What I say, but I'm in charge.
Hey.
Marry, but I'm in charge.
But you're still not in charge now.
Until some marriage in the bed, Muna, some of the second wife or my will be obedient. Good. It was played under low key. What you say?
It
was all part of it.
Okay.
It's all part of it. Handsome. It's all part of it. And Kojo Nkansah is one person. I'm being black. Undi Sandra baby abroad, I'm telling you. Undi na bro. She if so did na bro kampono, then the level at which now Sandra has gotten to know. She should always give thanks and praise to Nkansah when. She should.
Addis Ababa. Man for some person who Sandra kwa ya kan was a filo. Me mo kwa baba no share video no Sandra video no. Man for some person who Sandra kwa.
No, the thing is, because he brought me to Kumasi.
This will be serious.
Be serious.
I am under control.
I saw.
They have that perception. So maybe that.
Let's share. Let's do take go. Na ma na fry o. Chale, boku ma isu an kise ma se man get snap ne we sim hanom. Ne te mo chale mo fe tira mo nya snap. Mo be nya snap ne. Mo be nya snap ne ko suya keke. Chale mo nya de ma de fry.
Oh, what's up?
Also, because he brought me to Kumasi, and because people felt say bia. I mean, because of him, I said my boy, I don't know, and I said they have that perception. Okay. So maybe that could be the reason why.
Because in India, Ubana will know boy anybody. I
said my boy anybody, but then said them oh yeah.
And you know boy anybody.
But John Nkansah my boy. Onye me boy, onye me kuno. Yeah.
Frema, if I told you you should have been alright.
Ibra.
Maybe because you're not
Ibra na.
Do you know what Nipa Baby wants to really understand?
Do you know something?
Relationship is?
I wouldn't really dive into it so much, but the little I would say is, John Nkansah was strictly wahome. They were talent. Ena wabepe masem wafami say let's work together. It had nothing to do with relationship.
Really?
And Ghanaian perception is say Obani Bema nama definitely no. Exactly. Recently, Oposti the family.
Yeah.
I was nowhere near to the family. I wasn't in the picture in any way. Wawutu akane ex-wife and man and yamina me wo sankolano. Me, I have my family. This thing that happened, people got it misconstrued, and I think it's about time that I cleared everything.
Okay.
We had a very good relationship. I mean, he's a brother and everything. We meet on set, we vibe and all that. Kojo lives in Kumasi.
Yeah.
I live in Accra.
Yeah.
Enti etodampa ebi abe 1 month impona bia eduma ni ho ane Nkansah. Enti I was seeing it on Instagram and all that and all social media. Said omo koni ade. I was busy, you know. Na me ne Nkansah for that time. Ni Nkansah of course. Enti woma I mean a call point be and I say funny face retro. Long way be.
No boy.
There be no a betro or say I mean it was something or throw at him the dating be on Instagram and a demand I'm a friend and I'm a say to say no say and I'm say oh now then I'm more social media. I mean you better stop it nipanos e be a de wo ye no on penyo bia na ni di agrosa ti me ne kasa na osre
only one kasa
me ne kwajo kasa na osre so we nya bia ya sheda na am say oh what sheda saying like ya agro amudi and answer then no so I mean it's just oh me ni di agro keke no na am say now no nim so we need di agro because there are people who are emotional people. You don't play with people like that. Into nim say we need di agro also onim ti me ne kasa na am say me friend or me other line so na me bisa ni so onima
abra kwajo jina so
ojina so okay ti me friend funny face one fa and me hange up ti me ne kwajo kasa wi me ho na funny face friend no sis na am say funny what's up chale won't forget the moye no na e ho hia oh kwajo I mean attended the baby for ma I'm so funny I even thought say me ne kasa say me feel say omudi akọ but senya agudi am pacho. He is not a serious person, like not as in only serious person, but as he plays and you might feel say why is serious only serious about whatever he's doing. you are all, I mean, we are all in the same industry. Mamu massage way, and ko baby away go way, and way go way, and yet. No, see what Kasabi bring, I'm so funny, come to you. And I'm in a Kasabi, I'm sinister. Whatever it is, I feel say, and you know, my friend, let's obey for what power chawa, power chawa. In any Kasabi, I'm suffering, but I'm supposed Mr. Funny, now the way I'm a friend and a go through. Adiana Han, and you'll be an Timisa, a grony crone, Saneman, Timisro, Freno, Nepanacho. Now, only infinity because you don't mean like I mean only infinity and all that. Enti, me wahona, could your friend me back no say, oh, my friend or tiny voice, catching up. And I was sending Anyemi or WhatsApp or no so who you are blocking on to oh like one more times we want to no so or text it or sending a WhatsApp or friend and a funny catching.
Surprise! Congratulations, madam. I'm looking forward for a good business deal.
It's my pleasure. Excuse me, madam. I am a business partner. Mami ke be bin show. Tinatet venike no. Se wo yusu a esiesie ho e ma ho ye kama, e ma wo ye obemua. Je na ko try she.
Thank you. Tinatet Venike.
Tinatet Venike is an oral tonic for maintaining vaginal hygiene. Not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.